G'day, Conrad subscribers. So I've been a little busy. What have I been doing? So I've started making a replacement keyboard just using tactile switches. So this bit of aero board here has got rails along the bottom, so I can kind of easily connect rails between each row. So maybe I can kind of easily connect, let's see. I'd rather do longer wires than shorter wires. They're a bit of a pain, I guess. But keyboard layout is basically the same as the Hunter. Well, it is the same as the Hunter. So we've got the longer, that's the space bar there, and we've got the enter button there, on button there. So these tactile switches come with these little, I've got these little things here that I could probably just write with some marker on it, and then it's got a clear cover on top. So I'll give it a go, I thought. I did manage to remove the membrane, and I've taped it back together, so this is essentially what it should look like. So I'm going to say we've got a single 1x17, but it's two-sided. So I've made a note. Let me get that out of the way. So I think I've mapped it out. Whoops, that was something I was fixing for the wife. So I think I've got it mapped out. I think I might replace this with a screenshot, shall I? I've put this on GitHub, but I think this is what the keyboard matrix looks like. And as I've said down in the corner here, so the top layer goes to these pins and the bottom layer goes to those pins, blah, blah, blah. So that is what I will try to wire this one up as. So I know I was actually thinking of just making a Cherry MX key switch replacement that I could use, and then mount that on I don't know, a board or something. But the impression I get from the comments is that you'd rather me make a replacement one of these, which is fair enough, and then reassemble it back into the case. So, but for initially, I'm just going to try this just to do a bit more with the machine. The next thing after that will be doing something with the serial port. If I'm going to be remounting it into its case, then I don't want to do too much, because this obviously slots onto the pins like that. So I might need to figure out, because it's just a serial port, so I don't need many, I probably don't need that many connections. If I figure out where they go, then maybe I can tack off somewhere else. Anyway, I'll get working on this. So I've got this much done. So I've got the bottom row here. It's every second one. So every second one. So that one goes down. This one goes up to this rail here. That one goes down. This one goes up. This one goes down, which kind of matches here. So this one. So every second one, and then every second one goes to it's going up in this case. And then I've got the columns. I've got two columns done, which is that column and that column there. So basically, probably just these two switches. Yeah, I'm getting a bit tired of this, getting a bit bored. So I'll just give it a quick test and see how we're going. Okay, so power on, I've got that connected as well. So it's actually pin 9 connects to pin 16, which is ground. Oh, turn the power on. Okay. All right, powered on. How well can you see it today? It's not too, maybe a bit more light. Maybe. All right, so press any key. Well, the on key is also the help key. Oh no, of course it's also the power off key. All right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that should be Z, not C. Z and C. So Z and C are connected to both to the same row, but they're in separate columns. So I might have this cabling. So that cabling plugs into the back there. So I might have that cabling round the wrong way. Let's have another look. Is that? Sorry, I don't know what's the best way to. These non-backlit LCDs. I can see it quite well from this angle. Just trying to figure out what the best angle. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Anyway. All right. So that's okay. So I've got a problem there. But what about shift? Shift. Okay. So shift is working. Capital C. Lowercase c. All right. Nothing else is working. All right. So it looks like. Let's zoom out. So I'm pressing, that should be Z. I'm getting C. That's shift. So shift is working. Okay, nothing else, and power off. I think power off and then power on. So it's still drawing current, which means that, oh no, it's forgotten it. Okay, never mind. All right, so that's. I've made a mistake already, which is probably because I'm tired and I'm a bit bored with this. Well, I'm thinking, because the thing is I could fabricate a nice little keyboard, but it'll take a couple of weeks to get here. Maybe I'll do that. The Kicad schematics are on my GitHub, but I might so they're designed for tactile at the moment. But I might switch them to Cherry Key and see if I can just maybe fabricate a little board. But in the time that arrives, I should be able to finish this anyway. Let's see. All right, I've made a start. Just wanted to let you guys know where I was at with this. Bye for now. I realised my mistake. So on the columns, so we've got left hand shift and Z, so they share a column, which goes up to pin 6, and then X and C share a column which goes up to pin 3, which I've not connected. So what I've done, is I've made a mistake here. So that's my shift, that's my Z. So these should be sharing the same wire going up to there. So this needs to connect over to this one here, and then the next two have a separate wire. So at the moment this is connected to pin 6, which it shouldn't be. Oh no, sorry, pin 3 I think it is. Yeah, so these are connected to pin 3, that's why I was getting the wrong. So these should be connected over to here, which is pin 6. So I shouldn't even have, so I'll try it one more time. So I'll fix that up and just give it another quick test. All right, let's see if this is a better angle for you. Okay, power on. Need to hook up the, I should figure out a better way of powering it. Okay, so I think it was this black one, goes to ground. Whoop, I had it. There we go. Hopefully that's visible enough. Sorry guys. Hopefully that's okay. Just a quick test. Press any key. So that should be Z. Yay, Z, Z, Z. Shift Z, Shift Z. There we go. And I haven't got X or C connected up yet, so okay. I got 2 keys working. All right, getting there. All right, now that I've got that working, I've got a little bit more confidence. that I'll be able to get the rest. Let me just get this out. I'll be able to get the rest of the keyboard done. So I've done, oops, I've done these two. Although I do, yeah, it shouldn't take me, once I get into the rhythm, you can see I've already done some of the other rows already, get them ready, so then it's just going up like that. So I might be able to knock this over tomorrow. Let's see. Bye for now. Definitely bye for now.